In this video, I will teach you how to import a ribbon and quick access toolbar customization file that is specifically designed for use with Project Online or Project Server. If you are a project manager who is managing enterprise projects with either Project Online or Project Server, believe me, you will find great use with the customization file that I am giving away absolutely for free. All you need to do is click the link in the comment section below and download the file. And then in the video, I'll show you how to import it so that you get 2 custom ribbons and a nicely customized quick access toolbar, all of which will help you to use Project Online or Project Server in a much easier fashion. So let's get started. After downloading and saving the customization file, launch Microsoft Project Professional and connect to your Project Online or Project Server system. Then click the File tab to display the Backstage, and click the Options tab in the Backstage to display the Project Options dialog. In the dialog, first click the Quick Access Toolbar link on the left side. Examine the buttons currently on the Quick Access Toolbar. If you have done like I did, adding your own favorite buttons to the Quick Access Toolbar, I recommend that you capture a screenshot so that you can add back your favorite buttons at the end of the import process. To import the customization file, click the Customize Ribbon tab on the left side. In the lower right corner of the dialog, click the Import Export Pick List button and choose Import Customization File on the pick list. In the File Open dialog, navigate to the folder where you saved the customization file. I saved mine in a folder called Free Stuff. Go figure. In that folder, select the customization file. It's named PPM Ribbon and QAT Customizations, and then click the Open button. Microsoft Project will display a warning dialog that tells you that the import process will replace all existing customizations you have done to your ribbon and quick access toolbar. Click the Yes button, and then click the OK button when finished. After importing the customization file, go to the top of your Microsoft Project application window, which is the default location of your quick access toolbar. Go to the very end of the little quick access toolbar, click the down arrow button, and on the menu, choose the item Show Below the Ribbon. That will display your ribbon and quick access toolbar ready for you to examine all of the customizations. After successfully importing the customization file, let's go ahead and take a look now and see the result. The first thing you should notice is a new definition tab up at the top of the window. If you click that tab, you can see the custom definition ribbon that details the 6-step process I recommend to all of my students for properly defining each new project at a high level. In the ribbon, you'll see definition buttons like Set Project Start Date, Set Project Properties, Display Project Summary Task, and so forth. You should also notice a new Microsoft PPM tab at the top. If you click that tab, you can see the custom Microsoft PPM ribbon. In this ribbon, you'll find a number of commands that'll make it easier for you to work with your organization's project online or project server, like work offline, clean up cache, and so forth. Also, you should find a number of new buttons on the Quick Access Toolbar. On the left side, you'll find a collection of buttons for new, open, save, publish, and close, printing buttons, undo and redo, linking and unlinking buttons, buttons for working with resources, 4 buttons for zooming the timescale, and finally my favorite button, scroll to task. If you need to add back the buttons that you had previously added to your Quick Access Toolbar, then do the following. First, open the screenshot that shows the favorite buttons you had previously added to the Quick Access Toolbar. Then, at the far right end of the Quick Access Toolbar, click the little down arrow button and choose the More Commands item on the menu. This will display the Customize the Quick Access Toolbar page of the Project Options dialog. In the upper left corner, click the Choose Commands from Pick List and choose the All Commands item. In the list on the left, you can see all of the commands available. One of my favorites that I would need to put back is the Gantt chart Pick List button. In the list on the right side of the dialog, click the button below which you want to add back your favorite buttons. Then go ahead and click the Add button. Continue that process until you've added all of your favorite buttons back to the Quick Access Toolbar. When finished, click the OK button. At this point, you are now the proud owner of the ribbon and Quick Access Toolbar customizations that I recommend to all of my students. Congratulations! Well, I sure hope you downloaded and imported that ribbon and Quick Access Toolbar customization file. If you found it to be helpful, please leave a comment in the comment section below just to let me know. And if you liked this video and found it helpful, I hope you'll give it a like, I hope you'll subscribe, and click the notifications button as well. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.